This 2019 Little Guy Trailers Mini-Max Little Guy is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Little Guy Trailers is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.